Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki KFX50. This youth quad just arrived, very good condition. Automatic transmission, electric start. This is for ages 6 and up. Come on by and make your kiddie quad dreams come true for just $19.99. This one's got a little pull cord on the back too, so you can turn it off real quick in case you need to. Throttle limiter screw, great for the young ones. Come on by. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.